Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer Gorton's fish sandwich. Let's begin. We have here Gorton's fish sandwich, frozen whole fish fillet, and now let's open it up. They're frozen and we'll be making around 4 fish sandwiches. There we go. This is what the frozen fish fillet looks like before we put it in. It's in a perfect square and it's well-caught pollock. Now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to preheat it at 380 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 380 degrees. And now let's put in the frozen fish fillet. There we go. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to set it back to 380 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 7 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. There we go. We flipped it over. Now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 14 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking good. For this sandwich, we're using Sliders mini buns. And you want to use smaller buns for the sandwich. First thing we're going to be adding is some lettuce on top. Next, we're going to add some tomatoes. There we go. Now we're going to take the fish fillet and put it on top. We're going to put some American cheese on top. There we go. And lastly, we're going to apply some tartar sauce on the bun. There we go. There we go. We're going to take the bun and place it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Gorton's fish sandwich. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Okay, let's cut one in half real quick. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.